Hello everybody, thanks for joining me on Walrus News Now. This is going to be a flood safety video, and it's going to be added to my weather safety tips playlist. Okay, let's start. Flooding is a coast-to-coast threat to the United States and its territories nearly every day of the year. This page is designed to teach you how to stay safe in a flood event. If you know what to do before, during, and after a flood, you can increase your chance of survival. Here you will find active flood map information describing the different types of flooding, educational material, and resources on how the National Weather Service keeps you aware of potentially dangerous flooding situations. Flooding on New York. On this page, you will learn what types of flooding are typical in New York and how do you protect yourself. Significant New York floods. March 1913, August 1955, Hurricane Connie and Diane, June 1972, Hurricane/Tropical Storm Agnes, June 2006, Turn around, don't drown. This is often a slogan used by National Weather Service. In the video right here, let's see if we can get that loading. And a caution sign that says, when flooded, turn around, don't drown. Each year, more deaths occur due to flooding than any other thunderstorm-related hazard. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention report that over half of all flood-related drownings occur when in a vehicle driven into hazardous floodwater. The next highest percentage of flood-related deaths is due to walking into or near floodwaters. People underestimate the force and power of water. Many of the deaths occur in automobiles as they swept downstream. Of these drownings, many are preventable, but too many continue to drive around the barriers that warn you that the road is flooded. A mere 6 inches of fast-moving floodwater can knock over an adult. It takes 12 inches of rushing water to carry away a small car, while 2 feet of rushing water can carry away most vehicles. It is never safe to drive or walk into flooded roads or waters. There's an image of flash flooding. Now we're going to go to National Weather Service flood-related products, which include a flash flood warning, is issued to inform the public, emergency management, and other cooperating agencies that flash flooding is in progress, imminent or highly likely. Flash flood warnings are urgent messages as dangerous flooding can develop very rapidly with serious threat to life and or property. Flash flood warnings are usually issued minutes to hours in advance on the onset of flooding. A flood warning is issued to inform the public of flooding that poses a serious threat to life and or property. A flood warning may be issued hours to days in advance the onset of flooding based on forecast conditions. Flooding often occurs. Floods occurring along a river usually contains river stage level forecast. A flood advisory is issued when a flood event warrants notification but is less urgent than a warning. Advisories are issued for conditions that could cause a significant inconvenience, and if caution is not exercised, could lead to situations that may threaten life and or property. A coastal lakeshore hazardous message. Products provide the public detailed information on significant coastal/lakeshore events. Coastal lakeshore events even impact land-based and nearshore entrance as long as United States coastline. This product can be issued as a watch warning or advisory and follows the same be aware, be prepared, take action definitions. And as with other National Weather Service warning products, a watch is issued when flooding with significant impact is possible. Warnings are issued when flood poses a serious threat to life and/or property is occurring highly imminent or highly likely. Watch products for flooding are typically issued within a day or more of the event. The confidence level for the event to occur when a watch is issued 50-80%. Now, forecast and water observations. We're obviously having some technical difficulties on this. I'm going to see if this will... Okay, starting to load. As you can see, the map right here. I'm sorry. The key to the map is here, and the map is loading at this current moment. Purple, 0 gauges, major flooding. Red, 0 gauges, moderate flooding. 0 gauges, near flood stage. 0 gauges, all those answers. You can see there's no major flooding in the United States at this current moment. Oh wait. We're having some... Okay, we're having some reports. %77% complete, 85, 100. Okay, everybody, have a nice day. Stay safe.